this is the rather lovely Matilda, owned rather predictably by Bruce. And we're going to just take her up through the lock to where the rally is going to be. And we're off, just like that. It's a tight squeeze, we just had an emergency umbrella takedown. But I hope it manoeuvres really well. It's Bruce is manoeuvring it really well, that's what I should say, but it's all good. Will it fit? And we're in. Put some 2 zigzag bollards underneath the boat, put 2 ropes under the boat just to keep it off, because we've got a 45-degree concrete bank here, so that's the top tip, keep your boat off.
The Bimini as we head through the bridge at Auxerre. It's the first time we've taken it down, apart from when we very first got it. Passing joie de vivre.
Bit of DVA help at the first lock on the canal de Nivernais. Always good.
There is always something, yeah.
They're building a temporary.
We've seen them before, a bit further back. I can't remember where we saw them. Was it Milan?
Yeah, Milan.
No, I'm not worried about that. We've got quite a trip to do, you know, because actually getting all the way back to Migenne in one day is quite a lot.
It's a big thing, that's why I thought we might stop.
Yeah. I think we'll try and stop further back. Yeah.
Are you pleased with that?
Yeah, she's happy.
Oh, don't say that. It's a kiss of death.
Yes, I do know that feeling actually. I was actually a bit don't say things like that.
Okay, so here we're doing a quick flyby of Auxerre DBA Rally 2023. The number of boats we've got here. The seas over the side. This one's called Whisper, I think. The modern boat. Here we have O2 and Shell 5. Shell 5 being a 1930s boat. Honda Shenzi and Mark. Pipers, I believe. We have two oldies, Matilda and Carib 3. Carib 1928, Matilda is 1919, I think. 1909. Oh, did it justice. Katrina Elizabeth. It's another oldie, and Amity on the outside. (1915) and 1927 respectively. Halio, which I think is a Piper. Paddington, no, that's not Paddington, it's a Lidson on the outside. Anita. This is Phoenician. This is an absolutely beautiful boat. Went aboard that yesterday and it's absolutely stunning inside. Deep Thought on the outside. It's another Piper, I believe. And we have Zemur Den Haag. Oh, Zemur and Zhivago. These two are. The inside one is an oldie, that's for sure. I think Zhivago might not be, but I don't know yet. How are we doing with that? Let's have a little look. Zemu, 1914. Zhivago, 2019.
Yeah.
Oh yeah? We have Moon Dance. I don't know what's on the outside of Moon Dance. Let's just go back. Oh, Caroline. Caroline's an oldie, I believe. Moon Dance, 1925. It's another gorgeous boat. We have Sirius. On the outside of that is Paddington 5. (2018). A couple of oldies. It's obviously Nelch on the outside. And Hoop Opzagen. It's another nice boat. I don't know what the age of that is. Let's have a look. 1924. And lastly, we've got by no means leastly, we've got Mimosa, Joie de Vivre. We've got two Pipers. And there we have it. That completes the lineup. Auxerre. A very nice rally it has been. Our first. Highly recommend it. field day photos watching them from the boat because this guy's a scaredy dog.
And you?
How are you this morning?
All good.
Oh, that's it. Cheers. Bye, dogs.
Bye. Take care.
Looking good.
Bye.
Well, last trip back to Migenne to put the boat to bed. First lot of a rather busy long day, but it's going to be enjoyable. Sun's in the sky. Cruising to be done by Auxerre. Beautiful place. Live long in the memory, and yeah, we're going to be back. This weir here is old style